Yo, what's up, fellow van builders? Welcome back to Vandingo. This is a quick one for you. We went through some near freezing temperatures in North Dallas. Right, clearly nowhere near as cold as some other parts of the country, but my Ampere lead time batteries, I think same brand, are not heated. So I rely on a diesel heater in order when we get down below, freezing territory, to make sure that we've got some heat in the van. Okay, got the two tanks here, and between the two of them, this is about 1.5 gallons of diesel. I've got them, adequately filled up in case I got another cold winter snap, with a transfer valve between the two of them, right? So that fuel line goes all the way down. The heater is up under the passenger seat. That's all done, and it rocks, works beautifully. Heat blows out there and really warms up the whole Sprinter, which is what it's supposed to do, and keeps the batteries nice and room temperature, perhaps, as they say. But here's the problem. The problem is I can run that 1.5 gallons for about, at a pretty high rate for about 24 hours, 36 hours at best. So if that cold snap goes for a while, you're gonna need an auxiliary tank. And this doesn't tap into my diesel tanks because this is a petrol gas Sprinter. So what do? Here's what you do. You get a Rotopax. This is 2 gallons. So those two tanks up front, 1.5 gallons. This is 2 gallons. And then we got the locking mechanism in order to bolt that up appropriately. Can't get my hands on it. With a nice locking key in there. Got it on the universal retailing site of all global civilization. Came from Amazon. And we're gonna mount that right here. We're gonna mount it to the equipment panel. So we've got some diesel that we can rely on. So let's get after it. All right, so one of the things that's become clear to me is the Flatline Van Company has given you a tremendous amount of different holes and slots, but this particular mount, while it can go in these top holes, we're gonna need to drill 2 new holes right here in order to accommodate this mount and in order to put the Rotopax on there. So this is aluminum, so I'm not too concerned. It's pretty soft. Should be able to, easily cut through it. So 2 holes right there should get it done. All right, you see in there the screws coming out. We're gonna put some washers in there and fix those in, and then drill out the other two screws below.
Get them even.
All right, for this application, this size hole, we got a 7/32 drill we're gonna put through here. Don't wanna push too hard because you're gonna bust the window. All right, let's see if this fits. No, sir. 7/32 may be a little small. Gone up to the next size of 1/4. Should go through pretty quick. Okay. I think this one will work. Yep. All right, I'm just gonna put the washer back here. And the nut. Tighten this baby up. Yeah, it's drawing the flange, this flange right here, it's drawing it closer into the aluminum equipment panel. That's pretty tight. So I think that's good. Gotta get my arm out of there. Holy mackerel. All right, let's do this final one. Try not to smash the window. All right. All right, we've got the Rotopax on here, 2 gallons. And now we're just gonna make sure we can get this baby to fit. So you can see this piece is recessed, so you need to get it in there appropriately. And then this piece is your locking mechanism. You put them in together. That one will push it in. And then take your lock. And voila. Or viola. All right, guys. Cheers. This was a quick one. I got the Flatline Van Company equipment panel in. I got plenty of room down here to put a full box in, which could come next. Put shovel along here or a jack, but because I put those special tanks up front for diesel, I didn't want to carry it on the inside because diesel stinks. All right, on my way to get diesel, but check out how bright these freaking LED headlight bulbs are. A replacement for the halogens on a previous video on my channel. Man, they're bright. They're almost too bright, but I like them. Anyway, getting some diesel. All right, here we go. See what this is about. There we go. Yeah, let's put those right there. Bring this baby down. Oh, gotta pull that tab. Whole thing comes out. Gotta tell you, it's nice to have that step right there. A little below full. That's okay though. We don't want it to over full. You don't need it running out all over the place. There. Hey, so one important missing piece is I had this thing parallel. I actually drove all the way down the gas station with it parallel. You're supposed to lock it like this. And then put your lock in. Then That's the correct way, right? That just makes more sense. Get that thing cranked down so it'll hold, and there's some nipples up under here that hold it in place. So don't do it like I did it. I had it parallel with this metal bracket in here and made it all the way down to the gas station and back. Kind of crazy. So as I said, guys, it's a quick one. Got her up though. Really pleased with this equipment panel, and there's lots that can be put on here to make your trip flexible and enjoyable. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click that like button. Please subscribe, and more video content to come. Be good. Bye-bye.